We're looking at the catch arm here. It's a very windy day here. Got a crane coming right around the corner. See, they're prepared to lift that GSE tank cover off the back right there, because there's no GSE tank underneath there. That's just a tank cover. So where are they going to move that next? You can see the lever crane attached to that GSE tank cover that is just on that empty slab there. Probably going to be the next thing that gets moved. It's a windy day today. They've been going on and off with the it's too windy right now for them to use the lifts, so they've been postponing and then re-announcing that they can use them again and then postponing. So they've been going back and forth with the ability to lift the lifts due to the wind. Getting too windy or okay, and right now it's too windy, so you're probably hearing a lot of wind here on the mic. We get a lot of dust in the air. I'm uploading this in the highest quality, 2160 30p. So I'm doing some experimentation here. I've got autofocus on, so I will see how this focus turns out later on. I will do the video and then upload it. But considering the type of day and the wind and the amount of factors going on right now, I'm choosing just to do the video, and I will upload the finished product when it's all done. I'm going to do little to no editing, and I give you the straight facts here from Ocean Space Corp. I'll pan to the right. We got the Starship. We got the Starship over way to the right, but we got some other stuff here too. See booster 4 there, and the Starship is way to the right back here too. I did some video of that. You will have seen that video before seeing this shot here, so I did upload that already. All right, signing out, Paul with Ocean Space Corp.